The BitPay mobile app is every trader's most handy tool. It enables the trader to do transactions anywhere and anytime. The BitPay mobile app can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Following installation, the app needs to be paired with your BitPay account. To do that, log into the exchange through your internet browser, click on the username icon, select Paired Application, and then click on Pair with a new device. Click on Generate QR Code. Along with the QR code, API keys are generated necessary for application authorization. Go to the API Settings tab to manage your API settings. Application access can be terminated by removing the API keys. Scan the QR code using the application to pair it with your account. If you run into problems, you can enter the corresponding code manually. Next, select and confirm a unique PIN code. If your device is secured biometrically, you can also enable fingerprint login. Turn on notifications to stay informed. Done!